Okay guys, so I want to show you, this is my front door. You walk in and here is my guest bedroom, a second bath, and this is the door to my office. Right here I have this super cute print from Hobby Lobby. It says Curiosity. And then this is my office door. So this we actually got at the Liberty Hotel whenever we went to Boston, and that hotel used to be a prison, so they had these on all the doors and I love that. You walk in and it will give you an overview of my office. So I didn't really clean it. We're just gonna ignore that, but shut the door, turn the light on. So this room is very heavily LSU decored. So I have this banner that I've had since 2008. And then I have this plaque up here. And then these three are my babies. This is a signed jersey from Matt Flynn, Odell Beckham, and Jacob Hester. So I just hang those right here. I do have, there's some kitties in here. I do have 2 desks. This one I don't really use very much. There is a chair here, but it's currently in the dining room. And I have that monitor there for gaming or if I need to do like a proctored exam or something. Oh, hold on, there's a kitty that wants to come in. Hello. So I don't really use this side, but I do have a cork board with a Wahlburgers magnet from Vegas and a unicorn light up sign. So I also have a walk-ons cup because that's what I use to fill up water, so I can fill up all the water bowls in here. A cup of pens and this little daily Bible thing and a pink peony candle. That's this desk. And then we'll pan over and I will go over these 2 bookcases and my desk next. So both of these are from Joss & Main. I will try and link them down below. But up here I have a Ray Dunn container. It says Meow. It has cat treats in there. I have a Marauders map puzzle that one day I will do. A Luke Combs signed kind of cup. I have this mug that says, in ancient times cats were worshipped as gods. They have not forgotten this. And in here I just keep my Scentsy refills for my little Scentsy thing. I have this, which is actually a framed t-shirt. We got this for Delilah whenever we were in Boston. I'll insert a picture of her wearing it. She loves it. Have a Yankee candle. This is Honey Blossom. And this is my wand. So down here you start to get into the plannery things. So I have my notebook from Dubai, an old Erin Condren. These 3 are Lily Pulitzer planners. That is an A5 ringed bound planner, and that is a B6 traveler's notebook, and then that is just a notebook that says I am very busy. This basket, I keep all of my either stickers that I've used for the week or stickers that I just got in and I haven't filed away. And whenever I usually do that about once or twice a week, and I will take them and file them into these notebooks. So these are all my kits. And then moving over to here, I have this candle holder from Pottery Barn that I've had for years and years. And I just have all these kind of markers in it. These are from the Muji store. These are metallic brush pens. I have a bunch of these. You can't really tell, but they're like iridescent-y kind of candle holders. This is a small one, and I just have these mini Stabilo neon and pins. I have a picture frame from Home Goods. It's just got me and my friend Bailey in it. I have this little paws off tray that I will put paper clips or my SD cards. Here I have this little character from Clifford. I bought this at the 3rd grade book fair, and I used to have a dachshund who looked like this. His name was Stretch, so I've always had this with me. He's filthy, but he just sits on top of my current Erin Condren, my Louis Vuitton GM Agenda, and my notebook that I use essentially every day. So I just pop him to the side and use those. On this next shelf, I have another one of those Hobby Lobby iridescent candle holders, and this just has all of my Muji pens. Whenever we went to Boston, I went ham at the Muji store, so I have all of those colored pens here. Spanning over, I have my little notebooks. So these are like Harry Potter moleskins and stuff. I collect these. These are my favorite. I have a happiness planner, and then my devotion and Bible and a gratitude kind of journal. Then I have my 2 bullet journal kind of things. And then I have 3 like Christian books. I have some more of those. And then I have this sticker book that I got from Amazon that I just put like all my freebies and extra stickers in and stuff. So over here I keep all of my kits. But right here I have my functional stickers. So I have my functional and monthly stickers, my foiled icons and characters, and all my icons in these 3. And I just keep them here because I pull from these throughout the week at my desk, and I only use these when I'm searching for a kit to use. So those are just there for easy access. And then I do have my Canon camera battery charger plugged in and wrapped around, and it just goes right there. Down here I have these paper, well, they're like cardboard book holders, and my friend's rabbit chewed on these, so that sucks, but I just have things in here for school. I have a tool hole puncher, and down here I just have, I have these throughout my whole office. These are all from, these little ones are from Home Goods, and I just have like gifts in there and stickers for my monthly and stuff. So that's just kind of like a throwaway, or not throwaway, but like an extra kind of bin. So that is this, and that is right next to my desk. Right here I have plugged in my Dyson vacuum. It sucks, don't get it. These 3 little pieces of artwork. So this is a corkboard L. You can't really tell, but I just have some pictures on there, me and my friends. I have like an old voodoo wristband and a cute paper clip. I have an Aurora canvas because she's my favorite princess. And then right here is a picture of Kronk, who is my cat that just passed away. Here is my kind of like inspiration board. So I have a bunch of quotes. I have a tracker right there. I need to change that to May, but I just update this. The goal is every month, so that. And then I have a few like inspirational sticky notes down here. I have another cork board that just has a bunch of random things, a few pictures, my sweetheart pin, a few pictures, a letter, some notes, and then this is my desk. It is a mess. I told you I didn't clean up. So in this little clear organizer, I got this off Amazon. I will try and link it below, but I just keep both of my laptops and then 2 like planners. So I just keep those in there. I have this lamp that I got from Home Goods a long time ago, and then I have 5 of the Hobby Lobby iridescent candle holders. So in this one, it's all pins that have stuff to do with cats. This one has all of my Papermate Ink Joy gel pens in all different sizes. These are my favorite pens ever. These are all of my zebra mild liners. These are like random pens and pencils, and then this is filled with the things I use to plan with. So I have scissors, undo, Stadlers, a ruler, tweezers, my X-Acto blade, stuff like that. I then have my medicine, a candle, this Harvard mug that has these little erasable pens. I love these for just like jotting quick notes. I have a water bottle, a mirror for whenever if I film in here and I do makeup or something like that. And then I have this notepad, and it says, "People get thinking I care." Weird. I have a few of those you'll see in a second. And then I just have this stack of sticky notes that I use to pre-plan with, and my phone. So this chair is just one from Office Max, and this is a Vera Bradley blanket that I just lay over because sometimes the cats like to crawl up here, and they've picked that up a little bit, and it's all, I keep my house really cold, so that's my chair. So this desk has 3 drawers, and this is also from Joss & Main. I will try and link it down below. In here is just kind of like a perpetual calendar, some letters, some notes. That's just kind of like an everything drawer. This drawer, I have this little organizer. I have like safety pins in here, some more paper clips, and bobby pins and little hair ties. And in here I just have a container of these little heart paper clips. This section is all sticky notes and notepads. So just have a bunch in here. And then this that I'm going to use for a setup that I just haven't put away yet. I have a few of these, but this is the only one I have out. It's just like a little thing for your planner if you want to use it. And then I have another organizer here. This has tape, and this is an eraser I got from the Target Dollar Spot. These are all miniature brush pens, and these are more sticky notes, and this is like rings for a disc bound planner, and these are again more sticky notes. I think I just said that. And this drawer is more like a a little bit disgusting, but it's got like nail polish if I want to fix my nails, which I need to. Stuff to light candles with, headphones, extra tape, extra undo, things that I can refill that container with. So that is that drawer. Hello, Esme. Esme, Esmerina. Esme Rose. Hey, baby. So I usually just keep this window open because the cats like to come in here and lay. But this is a cat couch that I got from Home Goods. And I just lay this blanket over it because Eli and Esme like to knead on it. And then panning from my desk, there's the window. And then I have this little shelf. I will link that below if I can find it. And I have this cute little picture of me and Bailey. This is Louisiana State of Mind. It's so cute. So on the first shelf, I usually keep my camera that I'm filming on, and then I have this little L tray that I will keep extra SD cards in, fingernail clippers, and my Instax mini. Down here I have another cup, and this is just the regular size versions of those pens, like I have the mini ones over there. I have another clear acrylic organizer that I have some of my washi in. Down here I have another candle and just some of my favorite books I like to go through. And then in here I have Sharpies, Tombow brush markers, and dual tip brush pens. So I just keep those in there because it's colorful and I like to use those sometimes. I also have another Ray Dunn thing. It says purr. I will give the animals some water. So that is that. This is a closet. It's disgusting, so I will not show you that. But moving right over to this side, this is the taller version of these that I have over here, so they match. Up here I have my graduation cap that I painted the night before graduation. I have a blushing pink rose petals Bath & Body Works candle. I have a LSU signed baseball. This little silver trinket my mom got me for graduating, and then this is another one of those Ray Dunn dishes, and it says meow, and I just put some more paper clips in there and stuff. On the next shelf is another one of these little wire baskets. I was given this as a gift in NOLA. This just has some bills, some cards, some things that I need to pay attention to. Right here, these are for school, so this is my current notes and my planner just for school. Down here I have a few more books, and then I have regular lined paper, color lined paper, and then stickers for my Happy Planner agenda right there. And then down here is just bubble mailers, my diploma, my Praxis books. Those are all filled with notes. Isn't that crazy? A mouse pad. So that's just excess stuff. And then I have another bowl for water, and my internet stuff is tucked back here. So last, just to kind of show you, we've made our way around. Last is this mirrored 4-drawer thing. I got this from TJ Maxx, so I don't know if I will be able to tag, but I will try and find something similar. Up here I just have my printer. It is shitty, don't get it. I have another candle, and then back here is just like a clear thing that I have medicine, cigarettes, chapstick, you know, just little things like that. First drawer is printer paper, so I have regular paper, and then I have like heavier weight paper, sticker paper, and then I just have a bunch of cords. This drawer is kind of miscellaneous, but it's organized chaos. So I have more pins right there, more little wooden paper clips. These are some extra pins, and then like tools. So I have a stapler, I have some calculators in here, a remote, hammer, nails. This is whenever I ship things, I like to put those on the orders. This drawer has my papers for my traveler's notebook setup that I'm going to do. And then I just have some Astrobites paper, some more sticker paper, and some little notebooks. And down here is kind of like a catch-all. So this is like some stickers I've printed out, some paper. Again, more things from my Harry Potter setup. So that is that. So I will give you one little overview. Delilah's in here now. This is where I'm at the most, so the cats are normally in here. And the puppies really love to chill out in this box and eat on this box. So that's just where they are whenever they're in here. And I do have a mat here because the chair that is in here is bigger but I don't have a problem rolling around on carpet in this chair. So guys, that is my office tour. I'm sorry that I didn't clean up, but I just wanted to show you what it looks like lived in. I try and pick it up, you know, the things that I use every day just because this is my favorite place in my house. Is where I spend most of my time, so I like for it to be a little bit more put together. But if you want to see a video on my sticker storage and planners and stuff, let me know. I would love to do that for you. But other than that, Delilah, you have anything you want to say? Say subscribe! Alright guys, thanks for watching!